Okay, guys, these are going to be super easy. You're going to put all of these in Desmos and find the roots, solutions, x-intercepts, whatever the word that they give you, they're asking for the same thing. So we're going to type this. I'm going to do a few and then you do the rest of them. Problem number 1, we're going to type it in Desmos. F of x. F of x equals x squared minus 13x plus 40. And you find the solutions. Okay, and you write them down. So right here, I'm writing down 5 and 8. Those are your solutions. Okay, same thing for problem number 7. Problem number 7, I would just change some of these. So like this one, change it to minus 5x, and this one, change it to minus 24. That way you're not having to retype every single one of them. And the solutions for these are negative 3 and positive 8. So negative 3 and positive 8. The order does not matter. Okay, at the bottom, if they're not equal to 0, I still want you to type it just like that on here. So it's going to be x squared plus 9x equals negative 18. Okay, and then just go find the solutions. They're both of them right there, negative 3 and negative 6. So you will write down negative 6 and negative 3. Let's try another one. Let's see if this one will work. Number 17. If I switch them around and I put negative 42 first, equal to negative x minus x squared. Okay, here's one, and here's the other one. So negative 7 and positive 6. Negative 7 and 6. Okay, so that's how you do the front page. Let's go to the back page. On the back page, now they're asking for factors. So from problem 19 all the way to 27, it's asking for the factors. So you will, let me see. We're just going to type it in here. So x squared plus 14x plus 48. My solutions are negative 8 and negative 6. So my factors, you're going to change the signs. It's x plus 8 and x plus 6. Remember, factors and solutions have opposite signs. Okay? Opposite signs from solutions. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's try this one. So I have 5x squared minus x minus 6. One is negative 1. The other one is 1.2. So one of the answers, one of the factors is x plus 1. Okay, from that one. Oops. From this one, just change the sign. But this other one, first I need to turn it into a fraction. So we're going to type 1.2. Change it to a fraction, 5 over 6, and change the sign to a negative. So I have, remember this number moves to the front. I don't know if you guys remember. When you have x minus 6 over 5, the 5 has to go to the front. So it's 5x minus 6. Okay, remember those? And then at the bottom, now they gave you the solutions. Okay? Let me see. The solutions say graph the quadratic expression on the calculator, then find the solution. So you're going to be answering these A, B, C, D, or whatever. So we're going to type the first one. 3x squared plus 16x plus 21. My answers are -3 and -2.33333. So I know that it's -3 and a negative number. This is positive. That's not it. This is negative. So let's check it. Type -7 over 3 over here. -7 divided by 3. And it has to give you the same thing that this one right here gave you. Okay, -3.33. So that's the answer. So really, you're just matching. You're just matching which one. Oh my God. You're just matching which one works. Okay. Same thing with these down here. So let's try 32. Problem 32 says 4x squared plus 7x minus 14. And it gives you these weird numbers. So then you would check right here. I know it's not D because I do have a solution. I have two solutions actually. So it has to be one of the other ones. So we're going to start typing those in here and see which one gives me the same thing. This one says -7. I'm going to do divide first because if you do a divide, you can type on the top and type on the bottom. So the top says -7 plus the square root of 105. And at the bottom you have a 2. That number is 1.623. Here are my numbers again. Do those match? No, it's not A because 1 didn't work, so the whole thing doesn't work. Then we type another one. Let's type this one. It's 7 plus, so I'm just going to erase this. And then the inside is 273. And then the bottom is 8. So that gives me 2.94. This one is a -2.94. This is a positive. That's not the same thing. So because this one doesn't work, the whole thing doesn't work. So then we do the bottom one. That's -7. So we type a negative right here. That gives me 1.19, which is that one. And then I type the other one, which is -7 minus. And that gives me my other number that's right here. So that's how you do those. You're just using the answers to check them. You're also going to do the same thing for 30, 31, 33. Okay, so finish the whole page. And I think we're putting it in Schoology. We're putting the answers in Schoology. Hold on, let me check. Okay, there's not a Schoology assignment, so just turn your paper in when the bell rings. Turn it into the sub. Thank you.